Okay. So once again, you're most welcome, all of you. So Mr. Arvind, I'd like to one more question, very, amazing question from your side. So according to you, from your experience, realization really come from, like a big, suffering and some, coincident. What's your opinion about that?
Absolutely, Ravi. It's a very profound question, actually. We actually run out of, when suffering or some adversities come, we try to flee from that, run out from that. But actually, the sufferings and the adversities that come into our life, those are the things, that get us out of our comfort zone and get to learn new things. If I talk about myself, actually, my experience, I get into the merchant navy course when after doing intermediate 12.
Okay.
So, I was in Lucknow. I did all my schooling until 12th in Lucknow itself. I haven't gone anywhere out. My word was like, Lucknow is the only place, or my locality is the only place. I don't know about much about the culture, different languages we have. I just read into the paper, in the paper itself. So when I went into the Mumbai for the course, I get to meet the different people, different, they speak like, I went to the Mumbai, they like speak Marathi, and there are various other people from other cultures. I am not able to cope up in that, space. I am not able to, get into with them. Okay. So this was a difficulty that I faced. Actually, I was like, you can say I was like very innocent to get into that group. So the adversities came from the starting itself, but that thing I cannot share with my family itself also, because they have spent a lot of money to get into their course. So time to time suffering and adversities came into my life. After some problem, I completed that course, but after that completing the course, I'm not able to get into that course actually. In the merchant, I'm not able to get into the job due to some problems. So I have to come back to the Lucknow, and then again I have to think education, or what I have to do. So but I am able to do things. There the one thing went into my way, but when I able to actually face the problems, I am able to get the solutions. But till now, you can say. I went into the NCC also. I joined the NCC, but what is the difference between me, few years back and now? I'm not able to give my 100% whatever I am doing. There was constantly something in my mind, that I am not. There's one thing in my mind every time. I am not good enough to do. Every time it's get popped up into my mind. Am I good enough to do this thing? Whenever something new in my come into my, I'm able to, I got various opportunities in the life itself. In NCC, I'm able to get, various adventurous activities. I'm able to participate. But somehow, somewhere, because due to the upbringing also, you can say, or the things I have not gone through. So I was like terrified with the new things. But as I am getting into the, now what I can say, as I've changed the mindset, I have looked at getting to see the things in the different perspective. I am able to give more to the things that I am doing right now. Actually, after joining this course, we all are the part of the Passionpreneur. So I am able to change my work environment itself also. I am able to give more time to my family. Actually, you can say I am able to give more time, quality time to my family. I am working more enthusiastically in my office itself. My people around me, they have seen that there's something changed into it. This is all these things that I'm going through. Yes, Ravi.
Thank you for sharing your experience, and it is reality. Whatever you are saying from your heart, and it is true, and most of people can relate from your experience. This is the real meaning of realization and how they can realize. Thank you very much.
Absolutely.
So yeah, so Suma sister, I would like to ask one more question from you, because I know you have a lots of energy, experience. potential.
Yeah, you can ask anything. I am confident to answer any question.
Yeah. So when did you realize the real meaning of success?
Okay, all these years, I was chasing success actually. What is the greatest part? How they can do it? How the successful people are getting more result, and why we can't get the result? I was thinking that they are very knowledgeable and they have so many skills, and they are from very good education background, and they are surrounded by many other high status, everything, dignity and all those.
Hmm.
But everything is went just completely vanished when
Yeah.
I just read the book, and also when I removed the traces in my mind that
Hmm.
I am not good. I was always thinking that I was dumb, don't know anything, just going to the school, teaching and coming back. That's all. No other skills. I don't have any other skills. But everything vanished when I read the book and analyzed myself. What you are actually, what you want to do in life. I understood my purpose of life. Why
Oh.
I have born on the earth. Why it is important for everybody to understand that what is the purpose of life. When I answered this question, I realized the real meaning of success.
Hmm.
Real meaning of success is not just getting high certificates or getting the trophy or anything. It's the complete satisfaction and complete fulfillment that I am able to help others to impact values in their life. That is according to my perspective. And others may think in a different way because they have different dreams.
Hmm.
But I had a big dream that I have to be on stage one day as a TEDx speaker. I want to speak on almost thousands of people, in front of thousands of people. I have to stand and speak. So that will happen definitely because I am following up the TEDx events also. Then they are conducting events and how to proceed. And I am preparing a keynote speech
Wow.
so that the power of you can, I want to say there. And the story also. That will happen very soon.
Yeah,
And more
definitely.
than that,
I believe 101%.
yes, that, and also the passionpreneur journey impacting 1 million people, definitely. It may take time, but it will happen definitely.
Definitely.
So I realized the real success is impacting values to others so that they are thinking that I think they are getting support from us to do better in their life. That is the real success for me. Thank you very much.
Thank you. That was so inspiring, so heart touching, and I hope people have got lots of inspiration from you. They can relate from your experience to more things. Because I have seen lots of people, they are struggling. They are not able to differentiate what is the meaning of real success. Because I used to consider real success is just getting. Getting car, getting money, getting house, getting wife, good family, and just getting. Okay, we were not thinking how we can add value in another people's life, and I was also one of them, and you all were also one of them. But now we got to know the real meaning of success from our mentor, Mr. Dev Garbi. So we all salute Mr. Dev Garbi sir.
Yes, definitely. Because unless anybody taps our mind, we will not know actually what we are.
Hmm.
So at least that should happen first.
Hmm. Yeah.
Then automatically we will do our work. Yeah.
Thank you.
So you need some guide.
Ah.
You need some guide or anyone in your life that they can show the path to you. In this way you proceed.
Yeah.
Later you will do it, definitely.
Yeah.
But someone first, they need to ignite your mind. That will happen, definitely.
Yeah, definitely. Thank you very much, Suman sister, for sharing your lots of wisdom, energy. Thank you once again.
Absolutely, Ravi. I would like to add one thing
Yeah,
that
please.
I like very much adding to this question.
Yeah.
Real meaning of success. we all have joined this Passion for New group. Mr. Dev Gadri, he's our mentor. We are like under his guidance. I still remember that day when that ad popped up in my, when I was surfing in the Facebook. I get that tagline, quit 9 to 5,
Yeah.
video the surround passion. I still remember that day. I still think that it's the calling of the universe, because I was just few days back I was I was just into I will do something different. I was trying to do something. I was like trying to join. I was like totally thinking to do MBA actually. You know, so that can help me grow in my career, or because I was not actually uh, you know actually what I want to do. That was not clear with to me. But after I saw that tagline, what I got. There are people that they have achieved that thing.
Yeah.
That one thing, I when I saw that there are people that they have achieved that thing. Why can't I?
Yeah.
If I follow the steps of what they have done, actually it's not copying others. It's just like you change your mindset. There are things that can happen if if you work on yourself.
Yeah.
You can actually achieve the result, achieve the desired outcome. It's like there's the process for everything. You need to be consistent. You need to be massive action taker. Then only you will be able to achieve achieve the thing that you want to. Yes, Ravi.
Absolutely right. Yeah, that line was very catchy, and that is the real story we have seen.
Yes, absolutely, absolutely. That's why I aligned to him, very much. I am very thankful to our mentor, Mr. Dev Gadri.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you, Mr. Arvind. So, Mr. Energetics, Ashish sir, I want to lead you lots of energy and wisdom and experience. I have lots of questions so that I can learn from your experience when I will put those questions. So I have also one more interesting and inspiring question for you, Mr. Ashish sir.
Yep.
So when did you realize that you have been not using your 100% potential? Because I have seen lots of people, they have been not using their real 100% potential, power, experience, knowledge, skills. So, please, could you say your experience?
So as I said, in my case, it's a realization which has been very gradual. Okay, something that I don't do, I'm forced to do, or I have to do it, or I do say, and then I realize I can do much more. For example, this video making. I never wanted to do video making. I was very hesitant. I'm extremely hesitant. I am a back-end guy. I like to stay at the back, work on it. But it was. But when I saw the environment, everybody was making videos. I felt very guilty. Okay, I'm not able to do it. Then one day I decided to break everything and let's do it. And then I realized actually I can do a video. I can do a lot in terms of that. So somewhere I think the environment pushed me, or my life experience pushed me to do videos. I told you, when 2 years ago, suddenly that passion developed into me. Okay, I want to be into coaching and mentoring. I can use my experience. Even if 2 years ago, 2.5 years ago, I had that vision, I did not take action. It was all in my mind. But one day I decided that I will take action. But how I changed, God alone knows. It's, I think, the environment. When I saw a lot of people doing it, possibly the environment, I should also do it. Why should I be left behind? So if you ask me what really made me change and take action or follow my passion or realization, I cannot give you a definite answer. But I can tell you that with everything, either I have been pushed, or the environment has pushed me, or my life or experience, I keep it. Now I'm making videos. I'm very comfortable with that. I'm not as comfortable to take podcasts and take so much action like you do, but I'm sure I'll reach there very soon.
Definitely, you can be.
Yeah, I know now I can do much more. I can do. And I used to think, okay, 58, what will I do after retirement? Okay, I will have a peaceful life. I'll settle in my house. My son is now 27 years old. Till he gets married, he'll take care of me. That I was very sure. After he got married, I don't know what will happen. So
Yeah.
he will take care of me because he's working and all. But then I realized I have so much more to do. Now I'm making videos. I'm seeing a lot of people above 60 years doing so much of energy. They are doing so much. And now I realize the realization has come. The world is more. How did it come? I had that passion developing in me, and then Dave's courses. I've been associated with Dave not just for this masterclass. I've been with him from last year for the Speak with Confidence. I'm there, Saugat is there, Sudeep is there, all of us are there in that group. Where that's where we got, okay, there's lot more we can do. So that's how it has come. The passion came, I think, over a period of time, but the environment where I was hesitating to join Dave Gadbi. Last year itself, I wanted to join, but I don't know what will happen. But then I decided, no, I should join. But when I joined, I realized it. What made me join his course? I have no answer to it. I decided to do it, but then the environment started pushing me, and today I can realize I don't think even I've achieved 40% of what I can. So I'm working towards that. Definitely, my eyes have opened. I can tell you that much in terms of that. And definitely so. I am taking a lot of action, but there's still a long way to go, and I can do that. So over a period of time, my life journey, suddenly one day deciding to get into it, and the environment is what is really pushing me and making me realize I can achieve much more. So that's how I see it. But no life-shaking incident or something, and nothing has happened. It's been very gradual for me.
Yeah. That was process, and that was magic of right environment and the magic of your belief system. Magic of realization.
Absolutely. Yeah. It has come. Somewhere there is some determination in me that I have to do something, I can do more. That is definitely there. But how to put that in action, I think the environment pushed me in terms of that. So yeah, everybody has a lot of potential to achieve, believe me. There is no end to it. So the day we say we have achieved 100%, we are finished. That much I have realized after Dave's classes and all. And because I have realized that there is no end to your, once you reach a point, you can do much more. There is no question about it. Potential is infinite. That's how I see it.
I totally agree with you.
Yeah.
I totally agree. And whoever watching our this podcast also, definitely they can save their at least 30 to 20 years. With the help
I think the key is, are they ready to take action in the right direction? That is very important. Sometimes I'm very saddened when I see some of the people who don't know what the purpose, what they want to do, or which direction they want to go. I think our job is to turn them around. That is also there. With this podcast, with this environment, like Sumaji said, the million is what? We have to influence them because a lot of people directionless. And that's really a tragedy.
Yeah.
It is not about falling an entrepreneur or giving up your 9 to 5. It's having a direction. This is where I want to go. This is where my ambition is. I at least have that ambition that I have to grow. I have a direction. I want to proceed further. So that is very necessary, and there's a lot of people needing that, and it is our job to really push that and create that environment. So we have a collective responsibility, not just to our own. Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely right. Absolutely right. You well said, and I totally agree.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, Mr. Ashish, once again. So, Mr. Arvind, ask one more, last question. So, I have seen Mr. Arvind, lots of people who have been, living life with, like a sake of life, with no purpose, no goal. So, when you did realize that you have been living life with no purpose, no goal, no many more things.
Absolutely. This is one thing that I've experienced this thing all my life. Actually, we live in the society we live in the society that, we are told to do. Our path is like fixed from our, it's not like fault of our parents, of anybody, but it's like, if as we get into the, schooling, if you are good at studies, we are supposed to take, maths or science section. If you are not that good, I'm talking about, in 2000s, about 2000, 2003, 2003, I have done my 12th intermediate. So that time, what was that? I was like decent at the studies, so I should take maths. And the people who are not that good, they should, commerce, go with commerce and arts. So no, we don't have that direction actually. We are just, we are just moving forward without any direction because there was not that guidance. So that is the thing that I've realized, if we have guidance, we can actually save much more years. And actually we can, if we can realize this thing very early in our age, we can achieve more, we can learn more, we can give value to others, we can give value to the society, we can contribute to the society actually. This is what I found. Yes, Ravi.
Ravi, if you want, allow me to add one line to what Arvind said. We follow somebody and do mentor. I have always said in my life, you should always follow your boss and all the mentors. So what happens is that when you in office, when you start following your boss, you will easily find out what are the bad habits, because not all bosses have good habits. Don't take them, but there will be some good habit you can learn from that and fast track it. Arvind said it. Just first I say you follow blindly what your boss or your teammates are doing. You will quickly realize, no, this is not correct for me, but these are very correct. You can learn short time. That's the environment, power of the environment, as Arvind is talking about the mentors and all. Because we have to use our judgment. Not everything will work for us. What works for us, but we can fast track so many years by that learning, good or bad.
Absolutely, Ashish. I can align with you. Actually, we need to, get this. We are not supposed to get things personally. It's just a professional life that we are living. When we are out of that, when we get out of the office, we greet each other. It's just the work pressure that we are having. Our boss and their boss, they are yelling at, and our boss is just yelling at us. This is just. Yes, Ravi.
Yeah, absolutely right. And it is reality, brother, whatever you have said. And I can, brother, I can feel, and thank you very much for sharing. So, Suma sister, I would like to ask one more last question from your side.
Yeah, you can ask me.
This is the, my heart-touching question, and not only my heart-touching, everyone, who are passionpreneur, especially. So, Suma,
Okay.
yeah, when did you realize there are millions of people you can inspire them with your experience, with your mission, goal, and many more things, who are, visionless, who are directionless, who are, like a purposeless. When did you realize that thing?
Yeah. Actually, I was very bad at my communication skills earlier. I was not able to speak in a better way now what I am doing now, right now. So what I did is, I committed myself that I will create some 30 videos, short 1 minute video or 50-second video. So what is the purpose of creating this video is analyzing myself, that how I can improve my communication skills. That was the agenda actually. So when I started with the affirmation, positive affirmation, saying people that self-responsibility, discipline you need to maintain, good habits you have to maintain in your daily life, and have a right mindset, all these, automatically I checked myself where I was giving pauses. Immediately I realized it, so I need to improve this way. Slowly, when I checked myself giving more values to people, then I realized that, oh, I can add values to people's life. They started telling me, you are inspiring through your motivational speech, so that you can also add value to other people. It's good, you are doing great, like that. So that time I realized that I can inspire people. Till that I never knew that I am able to inspire people
Wow, that's
by my action. After taking some action, you will definitely realize what you are good at. Till that, you will not have any idea. Though you have skills, though you have all the abilities, but you will never know how you can proceed, how you have to proceed in your life. So I realized it when I started taking action, all these.
wow, wow.
And
First of all, many
thank you so much.
congratulations for knowing your real potential and realization.
Yeah.
Thank you very
And
much.
it is not a one day journey also, I would say, like Joe and Mo mindset. We need to nurture our strong mindset every second. The time, if it pulls back, you are gone, that's all. You should not leave that mind to go away from the millionaire mindset. Always you need to nurture that every second, stating that you are completely acquired by lot of skills. You are doing great. Every second you need to tell yourself. Even though you are not, but you need to nurture your mindset that you have lot of abilities. So that will push you hard to the endless limit. You can do anything.
Wow, that's great. So I have a very short question for everyone. So I would like to ask first Mr. Ashish. So Mr. Ashish, now how are you feeling after knowing the real meaning of realization, and after knowing your real potential, real power, real hidden talent, and we can say hidden passion? Now how are you feeling? Can you explain in a short way?
I'm extremely excited and hopeful, I would say. Earlier, I was not sure what I'll do to retirement, what I'll do. But now I'm extremely excited and hopeful that there is a big world in front of me which I can capitalize with massive action. That's my one liner after the realization.
Wow, thank you very much. Mr. Arvind, what would be your answer? Same question.
Yes, absolutely. I can align with what Ashish said. I am hopeful about the journey ahead that I am going to have. I know that the journey is going to be worthwhile. It's not about the destination actually. It's about the journey. It's about the process. You will love the things that you do in the way, and you just need to give you 100%. You just need to have a positive mindset. You need to, inculcate new habits in yourself. There are few things that everybody know. Everybody know that this is, actually people say that I know. When I actually tell you something that, waking up early is a good thing. What do you say? I know that, that is what I have realized, actually when you are not able to do that, mere knowing is not going to get you anywhere. But when you are going to implement that thing, that will, you will reach to one level, then again one level, you will be your best for it.